Even though you now know the basic procedure and objectives of Model United Nations, there are still some things to keep in mind when it comes to etiquette and behaviour.
Number 1. Always be diplomatic. It is important that you present your point in a calm and a friendly manner to your fellow delegates and to your chair. It is important to be on good terms with all delegates, regardless of how diverse your positions can be. Strive for a compromise and listen to others, because that is how the real diplomats do it.
Number 2. Protect your position in blocks. Even though it is important to be diplomatic and come to a common agreement, it is still important that you hold on to your country's policy, solutions, and your position in the bloc. Do not let another delegate take credit for your work. Rather, make it clear that you get the credit for the work you did in your bloc. But again, do it in a friendly and a non-threatening manner. Also, remember to involve other delegates that might not participate because they are shy or just do not like to speak in public. Ask them about their suggestions, and just maybe you can find an amazing solution and a friend for life.
Number 3. This is the most important one. Always be polite to your fellow delegates and chairs. It does not do well to be impolite or rude to the delegates or the chair in the heat of the debate. As a future diplomat, you have to keep your calm and engage respectfully with others. Most importantly, this is a conference where you will make friends for life here.
Often in MUN, you will have to argue a point that is in complete contrast to your personal opinion. While the trademark of a good debater is being able to convince others of arguments that they themselves aren't convinced of, it's important to remember to separate your personal opinions from what you are arguing. Especially when playing the devil's advocate, it's important to leave your arguments in the committee room after the conference. Through ThamesMUN, we hope to create a generation of kind, compassionate, and powerful young individuals guided by their social sensitivity and sense of civic consciousness. After all, as the Dalai Lama once said, if you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. Thank you.